What's up YouTube? So today I am replacing the rear tire of my Xiaomi M365 scooter. If you would also like to replace the rear wheel, you will need several tools. First, potato masher. This is the most important one. Because this tire, it's super hard to get back on. So you will need a decent lever. If you don't want to use potato masher, just find a really good lever or get creative looking at Google pictures. People are coming up with all sorts of ideas how to mount the tire on. You will need some Allen keys, zip ties, and something sharp like a knife to take off this sticker where it all starts. Just be sure that you're taking off the sticker with the thick, transparent bottom part and not separately, because then you still have a chance to put it back in place after you finish replacing your tire and you don't need to order a new one. Remove those two bolts with 3.5mm Allen wrench. Take off the plastic cap and remove the last bolt. Do it on both sides and your wheel is off. First you want to take one side of the tire off the rim. Using bicycle tire mount levers is a good idea. When one side of the tire is off the rim, the other one can be just pulled away with your hands. Just be careful not to damage the inflation valve. As you can see, my all tire is full of green goo. This is slime, a sealant which I loaded into my inner tube and rode for more than 500 kilometers before I got this first flat tire. Okay. Now there is one important part. When you want to find a flat, I suggest that you leave your tire knowing that inflation valve is straight at the bottom. Because when you will find where the hole is, you will be able to check if there is something left in the tire. 1, 2. Okay, I got 2 holes, not 1. That's interesting. Okay, so now you know that one hole is here and another one is on this line here. So if there was any sharp object, now it's out. Here it is, and it still has something left inside. Ooh, look at that.
Wins flawless victory fatality.
Despite the fact that the old tire still looks decent, I will keep this as a spare one and I will replace it with the new one. Let's do it. I'm happy I noticed I'm putting the tire the wrong way. Be mindful of the direction of rotation. First, you want to put one side of the tire on the rim. I leave the inner tube inside and put the valve into the hole on the rim. After we have one side in, then you will squeeze the top of the tire on the rim and add a zip tie to hold it tight over there. And now the trickiest part. You will have to use lots of force just to mount this tire on. I spent quite some time and was really frustrated trying to put the new tire on the rim. I hope yours will go easier. So this is my new tire mounting tool, best of the best. And then you just put it all back together in the reverse order. be sure not to tighten the screws before you put them on the both sides in. And happy riding! If you think I deserved like for this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to see more.